iteration of the traditional marketplace, and it has opened the world to a brand new frontier in marketing efforts. Today's people can shop from anywhere in the world and expect delivery within a matter of weeks, even days, depending on the service they have bought from. The marketing side of e-commerce includes efforts to communicate about, promote, and sell products and services over the internet. E-purchasing is the buying side of e-commerce. It consists of companies purchasing goods, services, and information from online suppliers. The world that surrounds us today is one that we have created ourselves, and it is also the mark of new era, unlike any we have previously experienced. The digital age is all about effectively having a stronger, faster, more convenient, and more efficient way of lives across the board. Today, it seems that everywhere one looks, they are confronted with the latest and greatest iterations in the technology. Every industry from education, science, and healthcare to automotives, security, and entertainment has been fundamentally changed in some way. Even the way that global marketplace functions and thrives has changed. It is a whole new world, and it is one that we are starting to navigate more acutely. Like anything else in like it has required the understanding of a learning curve that people are still navigating today, but it is becoming easier, just like the way we shop has thanks to online shopping. These days, traditional consumerism and shopping are no longer the leading force in advertising and marketing around the world. That honor now falls to e-commerce. The introduction of the internet gave rise to an entirely new and unprecedented awakening in marketing. This new frontier is an incredible force because it is effectively placing business global platform, giving them a worldwide audience and enabling them the chance to gain customers from all over the globe. So, this is the magic of e commerce. And while some traditionally clad business have not yet yielded to the online startup, they are slowly but surely making the turnover. It is interesting to witness because these are business that have always had tremendous success traditionally speaking, and the traditional ways are not necessarily no. So types of e-marketings. Every type business, large or small, across varying industries, is making the change to e-commerce. And e-commerce is a field of modern marketing that has grown exponentially in recent years. When the internet first came to fruition, platforms like Amazon and eBay added a new frontier in marketing, but they were largely with success. Today, there are empires that inspire business the world over the follow in their footsteps. These days, websites like eBay are not niche concepts. In fact, more and more there are eBay alternatives propping up. Seller brick and mortar stores channels to consumers. Brick and mortar marketers, click only marketers, and click and mortar marketers. Where traditional marketing was heavily bound by localization. E commerce blast geographical limitation out of the water. E commerce efficiently creates an all new platforms for people to have the world at their fingertips. It is exciting, confronting, and inspiring all at once. And this is the just the start for e-commerce. But the market e-commerce marketers has been rise and continuous surge in technological advancement and widespread digitalization. E-commerce is the digital iteration of traditional marketplace, and it has opened the world to brand new frontier in marketing efforts. These days, it is all about the global exposure that comes hands in hand with digital marketing. Click only companies, types of sites, retailers, search engine portals, internet service providers, transaction sites, content sites, enabler sites. Across these all industries, businesses large and small are making the transition to e-commerce. E-commerce is still a relatively new motion in the world of advertising and marketing, but it is one that is positively changing the world. Thanks to e-commerce, today people can shop from anywhere in the world and expect delivery within matters of few weeks, even days, depending on the service they have bought from. This astonishing, and it is the mark of the digital age in a nutshell. E-commerce creates a convenient and efficient system that allows consumer to have it all. Reasons for dot-com failures: poor research for or planning, relied on spin and hype instead of marketing strategies, spend too heavily on brand identities, devoted too much effort to acquiring new customers instead of building loyalty. The marketplace is one of the most heavily impacted industries in the world. All the hands of consumerism, this is an industry that has effectively gone digital in the last few years. Now, e-commerce runs the marketplace, and the world can shop and sell from anywhere in the world to anywhere else around the globe. This is a whole new frontier in the global market, and it is one of that is fundamentally changing more as time goes on. E-commerce is powerful now, and it will only continue to grow and become even more so in coming years. Most established companies resisted adding websites because of the potential for channel conflict and conventionalization. Many are now doing better than click only companies. Why? Because the reasons are trusted brand names and more resources, large customer bases, more knowledge and experience, good relationships with suppliers, can offer customers more options. Setting up for e-commerce online marketing, conducting e-marketing, using email, creating a marketing website, placing advertising or promoting online, creating web communities. And this is a setup for remarketing, online marketing. Setup for remarketing, creating websites, placing online ads and promotions, creating or using web communities using email. Corporate websites build goodwill and relationships, generate excitement. Marketing websites engage consumers and attempt to influence purchase. Website design, 7 C's of effective website design. And 7 C's 7 C's of website design. First C is the context, content, community, communication, connection, commerce, and customization. And these are the 7 C's. Fit and reinforcement of C's. Creating websites, placing online ads and promotions, creating or using web communities using email. Online forms of ads and promotions, that means banners, skyscrapers, interstitials, content, sponsorships, microsites, viral marketing, future of online ads. Web advertising is the one of the most important factor of in e-commerce. Banner ads allow for more targeted advertising. Pop-up ads, pop-under ads are displaying in a separate browser window beneath your main browser window and remain there until you close them. Skyscrapers, an advertisement on a website that is vertically oriented on the page and large than the typical banner ad. Web advertising, interstitials are usually full page ads displayed while a user is in transit from one page to another, triggered by code included in the link. Web advertising, content sponsorship are sites that pay for placement in search results on keywords that are relevant to their business. Web advertising, microsites, limited areas on the web managed and paid for by external companies. Viral marketing, Now, setting up e-marketing web communities allows members with a special interest to exchange views. Social communities, work related communities, marketers find well defined demographics and shared interest useful when marketing. Email marketing, key tool for B2B and B2C marketing. Clutter is a problem. Enriched forms of email attempts to break through clutter. Spam is a problem. So, as we know, in previous classes, we discussed the benefits of the e-commerce also. To consumers, 24 hours access and more choices, price comparisons, improved delivery, competition. To organizations, international marketplace, cost savings, customization, reduced inventories, digitization of products. To society, flexible working practices, connects people, delivery of public services. And so many benefits to the consumers. It is convenient for consumers. Buying is easy and private and personal. Provides greater product access and selection. Provides access to comparative information. Buying is interactive and immediate. And this is the benefits to the organizations. Powerful tool for building customers relationships, can reduce costs, can increase speed and efficiency, offers greater flexibility in offers and programs. It's a truly global medium. And benefits to the society. More individuals can work from home, benefits less affluent people. Third world countries gain access, facilitates delivery of public services. What features do you look for on a website that you feel make the site appealing? What are your major concerns about making online purchase? And what types of things can an online retailer do to create a more secure buying environment? And these are the questions. In online ads and promotions, forms of online advertising and promotions. Banner ads and triggers, skyscrapers, rectangle boxes, content sponsorships, microsites, viral marketing. And business pressure is the one of the major factor. The term business environment refers to the social, economic, legal, technological, and political actions that affect business activities. Business pressure are divided into the following categories: market, social, technological, and major business pressures are the role of e-commerce. Organizational, organizational responses, strategic systems provide organizations with strategic advantages, enabling them to increase their market share, better negotiate with their suppliers, prevent competitors from entertaining into their territory, continuous improvement efforts. Many companies continuously conduct programs to improve productivity, quality, customer service. Business process reengineering. Strong business pressures may require a radical change. Such an effort is referred to as business process reengineering. And business alliances with their companies, even competitors can be beneficial. Virtual corporation, electronically supported temporary joint venture, special organization for a specific time limited mission. Electronic marketers optimize trading efficiency, enable their members to compete globally, require the collaboration of the different companies and competitors. Reduction in cycle time and time to market. Cycle time reduction, shortening the time it takes for a business to complete a productive activity from its beginning to end. Extremely important for increasing productivity and competitiveness. Extranet based applications expedite steps in the process of products or service development, testing, and implementation. Strategy formulation. Porter's three generic strategies for business: focus, low cost leadership, differentiation. Differentiation in the new commerce e-commerce sector is the key to success. In order to accelerate our brand's growth, You have to increase online awareness and engagement. And online promotions such as contest gives ways to sweepstakes are one of the best marketing tools you can use to create excitement around your brand and build relationships with your customers in remarkable way. Make it super easy to participate. The easier you make it for consumers to engage with your promotions, and the better the price, the more likely they will do. For optimal participation removes as many barriers to entry as possible, giving consumers extra tedious steps like having to log in access to your promotion, having too many fields on the entry form decrease the likelihood they will enter. So just keep it simple. A complex promotion may seem more compelling to you, but for consumers, the clearer and more concise the entry process, the better. Get people sharing photos. Integrating photos into your promotion is an easy way to increase the engagement of your audience. Not only do consumers love looking at picture, but they also love showing off their own, and make your promotions mobile friendly, giving the fact that consumers are increasingly accessing your promotions on their phones. It is time to consider how these promotions will look and feel on mobile devices. For every one person who entered a sweepstakes, an additional 3.6 additional people entered as a result of social recommendations. Twitter contest that requires users to retweet to win allow frictionless sharing. Offer click to tweets for our staff to easily spread awareness. And Facebook promotions encouraging word of mouth with the simple share button. Paid media to supercharge the promotion. Invest in the successful of your promotion. Effective and affordable way to reach beyond the people who already like your page. Promoted tweets, LinkedIn, ads, and stumble upon ads pay also drive increased participation. Social promotions are a key instrument in any marketing tools kit. Make the most of them by ensuring they are simple, engaging, shareable, promoted, and mobile. Thank you. We'll continue the next class.